Hi, this is IT Park and QQEnglish office is located to the Skyrise 4 building. Welcome! And now we are inside the QQEnglish office. This area is the front desk. Behind me is where our supervisors are located, as well as our general operations manager and our president. This is the cafe area where teachers and students eat their meal. Adjacent to this area are the teachers' stations where they have their classes. So here are hundreds of the stations where thousands of our teachers have their fun teaching, learning process. Beside our teacher stations, this area is what we call the special lounge. This place is very luxurious because it's for our VIPs. So at the entrance, prior to our teacher stations, you will pass first in this office called the aquarium, where our international staffs are located. This area is what we call the capsule, where teachers have their own individual spaces. And by the way, for new hires, you have 2 months free accommodation. Isn't that a good deal? Should you send your application letters? This area is our training room where you will be trained prior to teaching. In fact, we have a couple of amazing trainees in here.